What is up, guys? It's Cameron. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited for this video because I kind of wish I knew these tips when I was first starting out my YouTube channel and kind of just starting like to edit in general. So this video is kind of going to help you find your editing style. It'll make starting a YouTube channel really easy because you will already know kind of like the basics of editing and kind of just, you know, you already know what kind of content you want to put on your YouTube channel. So hopefully some of these tips will help you, and yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video.
You found it. It's gonna get...
Tip that I have is to go on Pinterest, make a board of kind of like things that you like that go with your aesthetic, I guess you could say. Yeah, this is really important because when you're making a YouTube channel, you don't want to kind of skip from style to style. For example, if your color scheme is like kind of white, gray, and black, a minimalistic kind of channel, you don't want to go like from those videos and then suddenly go on to like this retro vintage aesthetic. So this is really important to keep your viewers watching, because if they're subscribing to you for one type of video, they're not going to want to necessarily see this other kind of style. So make sure you keep that in mind when making your YouTube channel.
Wake up and nothing works, you feel surrounded.
This next one, you can use this for the Pinterest board, but find certain colors that you really like that kind of go with your whole style. This is really important. This will really help you with what kind of text you want, what kind of transitions, and kind of like little, you know, effects that you want to put on your videos. You know, you won't have to spend a million years kind of figuring out which ones you want. You could just pick and choose to what goes with your style. So this is really helpful.
It's okay.
So if you go on YouTube, a bunch of YouTube editing packs that you can use. Now all you need to do is, once you find out your style, you can kind of give that a name. So let's say retro is your style, what you want to use in your videos. You can just look up retro editing packs, and a bunch will pop up. It'll definitely help you like make a new editing style. Now obviously you can make your own effects, but I feel like if you're just starting out, you know, you don't really know how to edit that well. Using the YouTube editing packs that channels have already made is a really good idea.
I'll be fine, it's okay.
Next is color grading. Now you can find a bunch of videos on how to color grade, but this will definitely help you make like more of a style. So if your style is very saturated, make sure that you are sticking to that color grading in your videos, but just make sure that it sticks with your style. Again, if you have retro, make it like maybe turn down the shadows a little bit and add more teal and orange. There's lots of videos on color grading tips that you can use for your videos.
Give your feet, keep good things inside your ears. Just
Next is thumbnails. Again, stick to your style. Like, I'm gonna insert a video on how I make my thumbnails. I kind of just make a collage and add some cool text onto it. Look at other people's YouTube channels that kind of have a similar style to you and see how they do their thumbnails. Now, I'm not saying completely copy them, but you can take some kind of inspiration on like the layout of their thumbnails and take that and make it your own and even make it better. So this next one is intros. So the one that I have, it says Cameron May. It has butterflies in an ocean, so that fits my style. But again, you can go onto YouTube, search up like kind of intro templates that you can use for your style. So I'll again show you how to make an intro in a clip right here. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to give this video a giant thumbs up and subscribe right down there. I really hope you guys got some tips out of this, and if you are trying to find your editing style, I really hope this helped you and, you know, you're kind of a step closer to finding your whole editing style and stuff. So yeah, without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.